Ngoreza TV amu enang ena.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kenya Kwanza leaders who are here with us, present today, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, hamjambo. I'm very much grateful to you all for availing yourself as we preview on the development within our political ranks. I wish to announce the nomination of the next deputy governor that will work closely with me and the team to deliver victory in the forthcoming election. The announcement we are making is the product of a professional and excellent panel of experts that have taken the whole of last week to interview a number of candidates who had shown interest in this position. The process was transparent, diligent, and objective. The team settled on Engineer Mathew Kirui, who is an engineer by profession and age 30. The unveiling of Engineer Kirui today reminds me of my previous campaign in 2017, where I settled for a candidate of the same age. The two appointments I have granted to young people is a testimony of my commitment to empowering and working with them. I want to assure the youth of Narok County that I will always have you in my plans and vision. Youth was at the front line of my campaign in 2017. They still are today. And I promise you that I will not let you down. To my friends and Deputy Governor, Engineer Kirui, welcome to the winning team. And let us work for the people of Narok at all times. God bless you and God bless Narok County. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. Now, in the same breath, I just want to assure the people of Narok County that today is a great day for us as Kenya Kwanza. For the youth, I think you have something to smile on. Look at the face of Engineer Kirui, Mathew. He's smiling and he's telling you, here we come. We want the youth to know that my government will involve the youth of Narok County. We also want to assure the people of Narok, we are a county that we want to include everybody in our leadership. That is why we settle on Kirui, knowing that our county is cosmopolitan and we are going to include everybody, all the 45 tribes that are living in Narok County. As you all are aware, we have our Senator Samuel Oletunai, coming from all the way from Transmara, from the Syria community. In a women rep of Narok County, we have one Rebecca Tongei from all the way from north. Me, being the governor, coming from the larger tribe or the larger the larger tribe, the Purko community, I'm going to be the governor. So when you look at the county, we have taken into consideration almost everybody, and that is why I'm calling the people of Narok County and I'm urging them to vote for us, because we are ready to work for the county. Now, I'll take this opportunity to give my friend and my colleague, Engineer Mathew Kirui, to now do his acceptance speech. And then we'll take from there, we'll give other leaders to also say something. Karibu, Engineer.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, protocols observed. Habari ya jioni. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening this side.
Good evening.
So today is a great day for the Narok County because we are unveiling a new door for Narok County. The Kenyan youth and the entire Narok County are proud today because the change is on the horizon. My name is Engineer Mathew Rono, and I'm glad to have been nominated as an incoming deputy governor under the UDA of the Kenya County. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hereby take this opportunity to humbly accept the nomination And being that now the youth are well represented, we know that the youth make about 70%. So the youth make about 70%. It's high time that the youth are well represented across the country. Therefore, I take this opportunity to first thank God, our UDA party, Kenya Kwanza, and the incoming governor, Honorable Patrick Ntutu, and the party members for recognizing the place for youth in the decision making and growth of this wonderful county. Indeed, this is the land of diversity where every culture is recognized and valued. We heard from Honorable Ntutu. We have 45 tribes living within this county. So that amounts to this country being termed as a cosmopolitan county. And in order for us to mitigate and to break the thin lines and the barriers along tribal and cultural lines, it is therefore necessary to involve the entire 45 counties and the entire 45 tribes under Narok County. I hereby call upon all of you to come together and vote for Kenya County. Therefore, I take this nomination with humility. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Very good.
Kwanza nataka nichukue nafasi hii nishukuru sana pongezi ndugu yangu rafiki yangu Patrick Ntutu ambaye leo ametangaza rafiki yake ama running mate ambaye wanaenda kuwania kiti cha governor. Nataka pia nipongeze rafiki yangu, ndugu yangu, vijana yetu, Engineer Mathew for accepting this particular nomination to be nominated as a running mate of our incoming governor. I must say I'm very delighted, I'm very happy, grateful to God and also to the people of Narok for giving these two gentlemen an opportunity to help us serve in this prosperous county. Nataka niseme tumeshukuru sana. I know we've come a long way in this county. Tumetoka mbali na rafiki yetu 2017 tulijaribu kupeleka kuwe governor na election hiyo ikaisha na tukutoka kwa hiyo safari. Tukasema lazima safari tuendelee. Na nashukuru leo ya kwamba at least UDA wamenominate yeye as our 033 governor aspirant, na leo ametoa rafiki yake mwenye atawania pamoja. Nataka tu nishukuru kwa sababu venye deputy governor amesema ni kwamba Narok County kuna 45 different tribes and so many other clans apart from the tribes. We have several clans in the Narok County. And we're very grateful that we are looking at the diversity and we're making use of the diverse tribes and communities and clans which are in Narok. We are glad that the incoming governor is taking into consideration all those particular sections. At the same time, he's also looking at the question of youth, which of course he thinks should be represented in the county. He's also looking at the question of gender by giving us of course telling us about the women rep who is going to be contesting in our UDA ticket, and also a regional balance so that each and every aspirant is coming from at least a particular section. Kwa hivyo tunakushukuru sana. Mimi yangu tu ni kusema pongezi rafiki yetu, pongezi kijana yetu. Vijana sasa mko na every reason to vote huyu candidate because you know 30 years is not, sio kitu rahisi sana kuwekwa kwa hiyo elevation ya uongozi. Vijana sasa nyinyi mchangamke kidogo. Na nafurahi sana kwamba vijana wetu watakuwa sawa. Vijana wetu sasa ndio watakuwa chief campaigners. Sasa wewe shika sasa bandwagon yako ya vijana. Zunguka hii kaunti yote kutoka upande ile ya Narok North, Enabel, Susua, ikuje mpaka hapa, iende mpaka Siana, iende mpaka wapi, mpaka Ulipozimuru ile ya Tanzania, iteremuke mpaka huko Transmara, uweze mwisho huko. Sasa vijana wachangamke. So nataka kusema rafiki yangu, pongezi sana. Mungu akubariki akusaidie. Na sasa unajua uko na mzee. Huyu ni kama baba yako. Tungeni kazi. Sisi tuko nyuma yenu. Na sisi tutawasaidia.
Thank you very much.
Tutafanya kazi pamoja.
Now let's have mwenye boma ambayo he represent the Narok Town ward.
Bwana Hikma.
Asante Your Excellency. Yangu kwanza kabisa ni kumpongeza sana. Pia nimpongeze kijana wangu huyu injinia kwa kuteuliwa. Pia nataka kupongeza kamati ambayo ilichukua jukumu la kuinterview wale wote ambao walikuwa na wania hicho kitu cha niseme wamefanya the right choice, kwa sababu huyu kijana amesoma. Huyu kijana ametoka kwa jamii moja ya zile ambazo ziko kwenye kaunti yetu. Tunajua ya kwamba kila kabila ingependa kuwa kwa hiyo nafasi ya lakini hakungetoshea. Kwa hivyo huyu kijana atasimamia yale makabila mengine yote ambayo yako pale. Kwa hivyo nasema asante, shukrani sana. Tufanye kazi na kijana huyu wetu, na sisi wale tutakuwa sasa ni kuanza kazi tuhakikisha kwamba chama chetu kinachukua kile kwa salamu.
Basi nataka pia kusema asanteni sana na kuchukua fursa hii kushukuru sana ile kamati ambayo ilifanya kazi ya kuteua kijana wetu. My son, unajua you are my firstborn son. Nataka kukaribisha kwa kazi hii. Safari yetu imeanza sasa, kwa sababu safari ya timu ya UDA sasa imekamilika. Na sasa tunaenda kuanza safari ya kufanya siasa. Na unajua tunashukuru kwa sababu now the team is inclusive. It is inclusive. Kwa hivyo karibu sana na tunashukuru sana kwa wakati mzuri. Yes, asanteni.
Asante. Lakini tu niliambiwa nisalamie yeye. Hiyo watu wapate ya kwamba tunasalamiana na mambo imeanza vizuri sawa. I think that's enough.
Ing'orita Ma TV amu enang ena.